Hello, gardeners. Have you ever wondered how to get tasty, healthy, and disease-resistant tomatoes without using artificial fertilizers? Stay with me until the end of the video because I will reveal to you the completely natural secret to a huge tomato harvest. There is an incredible trick used by experienced gardeners that can do wonders for your plants. What is your secret to perfect tomatoes? Write in the comments, and if you like natural methods, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for more tips. Tomatoes are one of the most beloved plants in every garden, but in order to give maximum yield, they need something special. Something that will help them develop strong roots, disease resistance, and juicy fruits that do not crack. Have you noticed that tomatoes often suffer from fungal infections, irregular growth, and poor taste? That is why experienced gardeners use a natural formula that solves all these problems. This method strengthens the plant, improves the absorption of nutrients from the soil, and gives the tomatoes a full, rich flavor. Not only will you get healthier tomatoes, but the plant will be more resistant to weather changes and pests. And here is the promised recipe. All you need is baking soda and chamomile tea. Make chamomile tea by pouring 2 bags or 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile with 1 liter of boiling water. Chamomile tea is a natural antiseptic that strengthens the plant. It improves the absorption of nutrients from the soil. It helps tomatoes resist stress and weather changes. Leave the tea to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the tea and mix well. Baking soda helps protect against fungal diseases. It slightly alkalizes the soil, which improves fruit development. It prevents cracking and rotting of tomatoes. Water the tomatoes with this solution once every 10 days, at the root or by lightly spraying the leaves. The result of this feeding is healthier tomatoes, stronger plants, and a record harvest. Try this simple and natural top dressing and enjoy juicy, healthy fruits. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and share it with your gardening friends. See you in the next video. May your garden flourish.